Let me ask you a question. If your coworker walked into your office, looked you dead in the eye, and confidently said something that was completely wrong, you'd question them, right? You'd push back. You would fact check. You might even think, this guy's an idiot. But if AI says the exact same thing, you go, that's interesting. Same bad answer, different reaction. Now, that should bother you more than it does, because what's happening right now is we are transferring trust from humans to machines that don't actually understand anything. And the scary part is that it feels completely rational. The trick is, AI doesn't need to be right. It just needs to sound right. And humans are terrible at telling the difference. There's something called the fluency effect. If something is easy to understand and smoothly delivered and confident in tone, your brain goes, yep, that's true. Not because it's accurate, but because it's comfortable. AI is basically the smoothest talker you ever met. No hesitation, no awkward pauses, no, let me think about that. Just clean, polished, confident answers. It's like if every answer came from that one guy in meetings who has no idea what he's talking about, you know the guy, but says it with such confidence that everyone just nods. AI is that guy, except now we've given him a PhD voice. Now, to make this worse, because it's not just fluency, it's authority transfer. We've trained ourselves to trust systems. Google gives you answers. GPS tells you where to go. Algorithms tell you what to watch. So when AI speaks, your brain doesn't go, is this right? It goes, oh, this is from the system. And systems feel objective. If a person gives you advice, you ask, what's their motive? If AI gives you advice, you assume, well, it doesn't have one, which is hilarious because AI is trained on human data. So it's basically all of our biases collected into a really confident voice. And here's where this actually becomes a problem. Because AI doesn't just give answers, it gives convincing answers, even when it's completely wrong. And most people, they don't verify, they don't challenge, they don't even pause. They outsource the thinking. And once you stop thinking, you are incredibly easy to influence. This is the same reason people fall for scams or bad investments, or that one guy from high school who suddenly became a crypto expert. Confidence is persuasive. AI is perfectly confident all the time, even when it shouldn't be. So here's the problem. Well, AI isn't the problem. Okay, your relationship to it is the problem. Because right now, most people are treating AI like a source of truth instead of what it actually is, which is a very advanced pattern predictor. It doesn't know, it doesn't understand, it doesn't think. It predicts what sounds like a good answer. That's it. So if you take one thing away from this, it's this. Don't trust AI because it sounds smart. Trust it only after you've questioned it the same way you would a person. Maybe even more, because at least a person knows when they're guessing. AI doesn't. And the second you forget that, you're not using AI anymore. AI is using you.